just start with doing like see, I got that in there, okay. And you still want to stir it around a little. Okay, 1 teaspoon. That's what you want to start with. So you got that. So if you're watching this video, then if you added 3 of 3 tablespoons of glue, then you're gonna need one and a half teaspoon of Tide. But then if you do 2, then you only need a half. See? Epic fail. There we go. Sorry if you guys can't see, but mine was a little sticky. So if yours is sticky, then all you need to do is just keep adding only itty bitty laundry detergent. So the bottom of your bowl should be clean, pretty clean, not like really clean, but pretty clean. Mine's still a little sticky. So here comes the Tide. Only a little, like I said. And if you accidentally add too much, like I maybe did, nope, I didn't. If you add too much, then all you need to do is add some more glue. So you do need a bit of Tide to get it non-sticky. Shout out to my friend Cece. She loves slime, so that's why I'm making some videos for her. This is my slime. Then you're just gonna take it out. It's gonna be a little soapy like that, but it will get better. So keep just going like this. And then eventually, yeah, just keep tossing it back and forth. So then it should be smooth. And then eventually you should start rolling it, and it should be good. See? I'm just gonna add mine to this one. I should show you where my elf on a shelf is. It scared me today. See, and then your hands should be clean. If not, put it back in the container and try a little bit of laundry detergent. But mine's good. See, look how clean your hands are. Should I put some sparkles in here or no? This shouldn't turn into flubber if every single night you add a teeny bit of laundry detergent. Because if you don't know what flubber is when you go like this and it just breaks and you can't put it back together. And then that's just sucks. Then that's not slime anymore. You can't put it back together. Do you see that? It's right there. Charlie. Well, I'm gonna add mine. If you want to add it to one, just open it like this. So just open it like that and then just stick it in the middle. And there you go. Don't go yet, because I need to show you my elf. Her name is Sparkles. We were going to get her a pet, but it was $19. That thing is really creepy. It's like, I'm going to hold the ghost. I'm holding it. I'm kidding. And happy late Thanksgiving, because on Thanksgiving I was at my cousin's house. We were riding our ripsticks. It was awesome. Just put like an eyeball in there. Yeah, the little blue things are just sparkles. Just like my elf's name. I have to clean this before my mom comes home. Look, you could trick people because if you leave it in your hand for like a minute or two, then it will get sticky like this. Look, ready, wait. Let me pause it. And just like this, but look, it's actually not sticky. What? So you could trick your phone by thinking it's sticky, but it's really not. You just roll it up. Just roll it up in the ball like that, and then it will come off. It's so sticky. Put your brain. Should be really stretchy. Mine got stuck on the ceiling, so don't put it on the ceiling. It won't stick to the ground or your clothes, but don't try it right away, because my sister's being a brat. Do you guys know the song Starboy? Yeah, that song is beast. I still have like itty bitties of slime in here still. I'm gonna try getting it out. I'm slime boy. Shout out to my friend Ella. She likes slime, but she doesn't love slime. Like love slime as much as me and Cece. Like we tried making slime out of a Starburst before, We were just like, ooh, let's try to make slime. We love slime. You can't face it. We'll always love slime. Yeah, we're gonna have bacon for breakfast and M&M pancakes. And I don't know why my mom's gonna be all fancy. Because like I always have this like